Alright guys, for the 16.1 homework, the first 7 here are just matching. So our first definition is the smallest amount a consumer should pay each month in order to avoid fees and maintain good credit history, and that would be the minimum payment. So that minimum payment allows you to avoid the late fees, but you're not going to avoid the interest that you're going to have to pay on the amount that you did not pay off. B, it is something that is issued by a bank or company, and it's usually with a credit limit, and that would be a credit card. C, the charge for the privilege of borrowing money, and that would be the interest. D, short-term high-interest loans, so those are the easy access loans. And to remember that, you would just think if they're easy access loans, which means they're easy to get, they're going to be short-term, but they're going to come with a lot of risk, and that's why the interest rates will be so high. E is the act of repaying a loan, including any interest and fees, and that would be repayment. So whenever you repay, you're going to pay back your loan plus the interest and fees. F is the length of a loan, which is your term. G, money borrowed with the expectation of future repayment, is our definition of credit. All right, number 8. Jameson has $4,300 in credit card debt with 14% interest that he wants to pay off in 24 months. He will need to make monthly payments of $206.46 each month. Calculate the total cost of repayment and the interest Jameson will pay. So knowing that this is how much he borrowed, this is his interest on that, and he's going to pay it off in 24 months, that means that each month this is what he'll have to pay that all off. So our total repayment is going to be the 24 months times the $206.46 that he'll pay each month. When we multiply those together, we get $4,955.04. To get the amount of interest he paid, you subtract the amount of the loan, and that's how we get $655.04 in interest. Number 9, Christina took out a $9,000 personal loan to remodel a portion of her home into an office for her new business. The loan has a 4-year term and a 5% interest rate. If Christina's monthly payments are $207.26 from the total cost of repayment and the interest. So if she's going to pay $207.26 for every month of that 4 years, to get the total, I'm going to take the amount of months, which would be 48, 4 times 12, times the $207.26 that she'll pay each month, and that will equal $9,948.48. So that's how much she's going to repay. And to get how much interest she paid, we're going to subtract the amount of the loan, which was $9,000, and we get that she paid $948.48 in interest. Number 10, the Jacksons are taking out a $35,000 loan to remodel their home. The table shows their rates for 1 year and a 5-year loan from 2 different lenders. Complete each table to calculate the total repayment and interest paid for each loan offer. So if you look here, the loan amount is the same and our interest rate is the same. So the only thing that is changing is the term. And remember, the more spread out that your loan is, the lower your monthly payments are going to be. So since this is 5 years, that monthly payment is going to be much lower. However, your total repayment and your interest should be more, because if you think about it, you're paying for so much longer that's going to increase overall. But let's go ahead and do the work to see that. So if it's a 1-year term, this is how much they're going to have to pay every single month for that 1 year. So I'm going to multiply that by 12 months, and that will give me $35,953.04. And to figure out how much interest I paid, I'm going to subtract $35,000 from my repayment to get that I paid $953.20 in interest. Now I'm going to increase the term to 5 years, and that's going to decrease the monthly payments. I'm going to multiply that by 60 months because that would be 5 years. And then I get that it's going to be a total repayment of $39,619.80. To get the interest, I'm going to subtract the loan amount of $35,000, and I get $4,619.80. And like I said, as your term length increases, your monthly payments are going to decrease, but your repayment and your interest paid are going to increase. So ideally, if you can afford these larger monthly payments, then it is better to pay it off quicker. Not everybody can afford those large monthly payments. This payment is more reasonable, but you pay a lot more in interest in your total repayment by doing it that way. So which term length would result in the lowest total repayment for the Jacksons, and how much lower would it be? Well, the 1 year term is obviously going to be a lower total repayment and lower interest, and the difference in those two is going to be $3,666.60. Let me know if y'all have any questions.